Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I am so glad you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome. We are very happy to see you again. Today, we have a super fun and super useful topic.
That is right. Today, we are going to talk about ordering coffee like an American.
Oh, this is one of my favorite topics. Coffee is a very big part of American culture. Americans love their coffee.
They really do. In the USA, millions of people drink coffee every single day. They go to coffee shops before work, they go on weekends, they go with friends.
And the most popular coffee shop in America is Starbucks, but there are also many other places like Dunkin', Dutch Bros, and local coffee shops.
Yes, and when you walk into one of these places, you need to know what to say. You need to know the words, you need to know the sizes, you need to know how to order.
That is exactly what we are going to teach you today, step by step, slowly and clearly, so that you feel ready and confident the next time you walk into a coffee shop.
Let us start with the basics. When you walk into a coffee shop in America, someone at the counter will say hello to you. They might say, "Hi, what can I get for you?" Or, "Hello, what would you like today?"
These are very common greetings. The person taking your order is called a barista. That is the word for someone who makes coffee professionally.
So when the barista says, "What can I get for you?" you need to be ready to order. This is where many beginners feel nervous, but do not worry, we will make it easy.
First, let us talk about the types of coffee. In America, the most common coffees are drip coffee, espresso, latte, cappuccino, Americano, and cold brew.
Let me explain each one simply. Drip coffee is the most basic coffee. It is just coffee and hot water. It's simple and affordable. Many people drink it every morning.
Espresso is a very small but very strong coffee. It's thick and bold. Some people drink it alone, and some people use it as a base for other drinks.
A latte is espresso with a lot of steamed milk. It's creamy and smooth. Many beginners love lattes because they are not too strong.
A cappuccino is also espresso with milk, but it has more foam on top. Foam is the bubbly, fluffy milk you see at the top of the cup. It's very popular in America.
An Americano is espresso with hot water added to it. It tastes a little like drip coffee, but stronger. Many people who want a simple, strong coffee order an Americano.
And cold brew is coffee that is made with cold water over many hours. It's served cold, without any heat. It's very popular in the summer.
Those are the 6 most common coffees in America. Now, the next important thing you need to know is the sizes.
In most American coffee shops, the sizes are small, medium, and large. But at Starbucks, the sizes have special names.
Yes, at Starbucks, small is called tall, medium is called grande, and large is called venti. These are Italian words, but Americans use them every day. So at Starbucks, if you want a large coffee, you say, "I would like a venti latte, please." If you want a small coffee, you say, "Can I get a tall coffee, please?" At other coffee shops like Dunkin' or local cafe, you just say small, medium, or large. That is much simpler.
Now, let us talk about how to customize your coffee. Americans love to customize. That means they like to change the coffee to match exactly what they want.
For example, you can choose hot or iced. Hot means the drink is warm. Iced means the drink has ice and is cold.
So you might say, "Can I get an iced latte, please?" That means you want a latte with ice served cold.
Or you might say, "I would like a hot cappuccino, please." That means you want it warm.
You can also choose how much sugar you want. You might hear the barista ask, "How many pumps of syrup would you like?" Syrup is a sweet liquid that adds flavor and sweetness to your drink.
Common syrups in America are vanilla, caramel, hazelnut, and mocha. These are very popular flavors.
So, if you want a vanilla latte, you say, "Can I get a latte with vanilla syrup, please?" Very simple.
You can also choose the type of milk. In America, many people have different milk preferences. You might hear whole milk, skim milk, oat milk, almond milk, or soy milk.
Whole milk is regular milk with full fat. Skim milk has very little fat. Oat milk is made from oats. It is plant-based and very popular right now. Almond milk is made from almonds. Soy milk is made from soybeans.
If you have no preference, you can just say regular milk, please, and the barista will use the standard milk, which is usually whole milk or 2% milk.
Okay, now let us put it all together. Let us do a full example conversation. I will be the barista, and speaker 1 will be the customer.
Great, let's do it. This will help you hear how a real coffee order sounds in America.
Hi there, welcome. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I get a medium iced latte, please?
Of course. What kind of milk would you like?
Oat milk, please.
Sure. And would you like any syrup or flavoring?
Yes, please. Can I add vanilla syrup?
Absolutely. How many pumps would you like? We usually do 2 pumps for a medium.
2 pumps is fine, thank you.
Great. Can I get a name for the order?
Sure, it's Sarah.
Perfect. Your total is $5.75. You can pay at the end of the counter.
Thank you so much.
Of course, your drink will be ready in just a moment.
And that is a perfect real coffee shop conversation. Did you notice? Every sentence was short and clear. The words were not complicated.
Yes, that is the beauty of ordering coffee. Once you know the keywords, size, type, milk, and syrup, you are ready to order anything.
Let us now review all the key phrases. Repeat after us if you can. This is great speaking practice.
First phrase, can I get a medium iced latte, please? Say it slowly. Can I get a medium iced latte, please?
Second phrase, what kind of milk would you like? This is what the barista will say, but you should know it so you can understand the question. What kind of milk would you like?
Third phrase, oat milk, please. Or you can say regular milk, please, or almond milk, please, whatever you prefer.
Fourth phrase, can I add vanilla syrup? Can I add vanilla syrup? This is how you ask to add a flavor.
Fifth phrase, 2 pumps is fine. 2 pumps is fine. This is how you respond when a barista asks about syrup amount.
Sixth phrase, can I get a name for the order? This is what the barista asks. Your answer is just your name. Say, it is Sarah, or my name is David.
Seventh phrase, your total is $5.75. This is what the barista says when telling you the price.
And eighth phrase, thank you so much. Always end with a thank you. It is polite and friendly.
Perfect. Those 8 phrases will get you through almost any coffee shop experience in America.
Now, let us talk about some extra things you might encounter. Sometimes the barista might ask for here or to go.
This means, are you going to drink your coffee inside the shop or are you taking it with you? If you are staying, say, for here, please. If you're leaving, say, to go, please. Very simple.
You might also see a tip jar at the counter. In America, it is common to tip at coffee shops. A tip is extra money you give to the worker to say thank you for good service.
You do not have to tip, but if you want to, even $1 is a kind gesture. Baristas really appreciate it.
Okay, now let us talk about what to do if you don't know what to order. This happens to everyone, even Americans.
If you don't know what you want, you can say, what do you recommend? This means, what do you think I should try?
The barista will usually suggest something popular or something they personally like. It's a great way to discover new drinks.
You can also look at the menu board behind the counter. Most coffee shops have a big menu on the wall. Take your time and read it. It's okay to take a moment.
And if you are not sure what a word means, just ask. You can say, I'm sorry, what is a cold brew? The barista will be happy to explain.
Never be embarrassed to ask questions. Coffee shops in America are very welcoming places. The baristas want you to be happy with your order.
That is so true. The whole goal of a coffee shop is to make you feel comfortable and give you a drink you love.
Let us also talk about some very popular drinks in America right now. One of the most popular drinks is the pumpkin spice latte. This is a fall drink from Starbucks with pumpkin flavor and spices.
Another very popular drink is the caramel macchiato. This is espresso with vanilla syrup, steamed milk, and caramel drizzle on top. It is sweet and delicious.
And many young Americans love the frappuccino.
This is a cold blended drink, like a coffee milkshake. It comes in many flavors like mocha, caramel, and vanilla.
If you want to try something fun and popular, you can say, "Can I get a caramel frappuccino, please?" The barista will know exactly what to make.
These popular drinks are great conversation starters, too. If your American friend asks, "What is your favorite Starbucks drink?" Now you have an answer.
Okay, let us do one more quick practice conversation. This time, let us try ordering a hot drink.
Good idea. I'll be the barista again.
And I'll be the customer. Here we go.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
Good morning. Can I get a large hot cappuccino, please?
Of course. Whole milk, skim, oat, or almond.
Whole milk, please.
Would you like any flavoring today?
No, thank you. Just plain.
Perfect. That'll be $4.50. And your name?
It's Emily.
Great, Emily. It'll be ready in just a few minutes. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too.
Beautiful. Did you hear how natural that sounded? Short sentences, polite words, clear and confident.
That is exactly how Americans talk at coffee shops. It's casual, friendly, and simple. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be understood.
And the more you practice, the more natural it'll feel. Try going to a real coffee shop and placing your order in English. Even if it feels scary at first, you can do it.
Start small. Order a simple drip coffee. Say, "Can I get a medium coffee, please?" That's it. 4 words, and you did it.
Each time you go back, try something a little more. Add a flavor, change the milk, try a new size. Build your confidence one visit at a time.
We are so proud of you for learning today. This is real, practical English that you will use in your everyday life in America.
Language learning is not just about grammar and rules. It's about real conversations. And this, ordering coffee, is one of the most real conversations you will ever have.
So go out there, walk into that coffee shop, take a deep breath, and say, "Hi, can I get a latte, please?"
You will be amazing. We believe in you completely.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. We hope you learned a lot and had fun, too.
If you want more practice, listen to this episode again. Repeat the phrases, write them down, practice them at home before you go to the shop.
And we'll be back very soon with another everyday English topic to help you feel confident and comfortable in the USA.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning.
Take care, everyone. See you next time.